Welcome to Isolated Study IN, your ultimate destination for learning, growth, and career success. We bring together knowledge, technology, and opportunity, designed to elevate your journey. Imagine a platform where expert advice is just a click away. Our experts are here to help you make informed decisions and achieve your goals. From students to professionals, we cater to all who seek knowledge and growth. Start your consultation journey today and unlock endless possibilities. Meet your new digital companion, our AI chatbot, smart, fast, and always available. Need answers? Our AI is ready day or night to provide instant, accurate support. From complex questions to simple queries, it's your go-to for real-time assistance. It learns from you, adapts to your needs, and helps you stay ahead in your learning journey. Think of it as your personal guide, tutor, and assistant, all rolled into one. No more waiting for help. Get what you need when you need it. Experience the future of interactive learning with AI, only at IsolatedStudy IN. We've got you covered with solutions that fit your budget. At IsolatedStudy IN, we believe quality doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Our services are designed to be affordable, without compromising on excellence. Get more for less, without the stress. Ready to step into the world of opportunities? Our job portal is your launchpad. Search, apply, and connect with companies that value your skills and passion. Your dream job is just a click away. Find it, seize it, and thrive. At Isolated Study IN, we're more than just a platform, we're a movement for growth. Knowledge, opportunity, and affordability, all under one roof.